In this video, I will show you how to make a standard CV using Adobe Acrobat on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install Adobe Acrobat on your Android phone for free. So for that, open up your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search right here. Then you want to make sure you click on search app and game and type in Adobe Acrobat and hit on search, and it's going to take you right here. So make sure you download and install Adobe Acrobat Edit PDF. After a successful download and install, click on open right here. And it's going to take you right here. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on resume. Then you have different resume templates right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates. All you have to do is to choose any template of your choice right here. Just like so. If you're interested in this particular type of template, what you need to do is to simply click on the template, and it's going to load up right here. And the template is going to load up right here. Then from here, you can start to edit the template with your own personal information. You can zoom in and zoom out and see how you can edit. You can click on any of the information right here to edit the template. Let's say, for instance, you want to change the picture from this template to your personal picture. Make sure you select on the picture. Having selected on the picture, simply click on replace right here. Then go ahead and select the picture where you have it, either on your file manager or online cloud or in Google Photo. So I'm going to click on file manager right here. Then from here, I'm going to select this particular image right here. I will click on done. Just like so, you can see the image has been successfully added. Then you want to edit the name, simply click on the name right here. And then you want to make sure you click on the text right here. And then you can simply edit the name. You can put in your name right here. Just like so. Then you can click on the subtitle on the name right here. Click on it. So you can zoom out. Then the subtitle here is address and or what have you. So I'm going to change it to content creator. Just like so. Then you are done with that part. You can also change the font style as the case may be. You can as well change the font color right here. Click on the color right here. Then you can use another color as the case may be. Just like so. You can make it different color right here until you are satisfied with a certain color. Then you are done. Then you can also edit contact information right here. Now you can as well work on the shape background. Click on the background shape right here. Let's simply zoom in. So just like so, you can edit as much as possible every information right here. Just click scale section, acting at the profile as the case may be. And then you can as well slide this way and see different text format that you can use to format text. And you can click on the image again and slide this way and see different format. You can rotate the image as the case may be. Everything depends on how you want your CV to look like. Once you are done designing or the resume, what you need to do next is to download your file. And for that, you can simply click on here, this icon right here. This allows you to download your resume. Click on here. You can download the resume in JPEG file, PNG file, or PDF, which is best for documents. And then you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Adobe Acrobat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.